Thank you for joining me. I'm back at the reservoir, and it's about 6:30ish, 6:45ish. I forgot my glasses, so it took me like a half hour to rig one rod. So let's see. I'm at the reservoir. I hope there's bass over here, and it is bright out. It is about 75 degrees. It's kind of chilly here in Alabama, but anyways, let's go do some fishing. Let's hope we catch something. Just a quick cast off the bridge. I'm afraid all this sunshine is going to be too bright. It's already too bright on my eyes. I hate not having my glasses. Come on, Karen. Jerry. I was getting a bite. Just a ribbon-tailed worm. It's I like a go-to rod, and I paired it with 17-pound fluorocarbon. And it's nice and sensitive. Oh, I didn't show you that worm, did I? Come on. So here's what she looks like. It's a 10. Damn these. Oh, part of the weed. Part of the worm. But anyways, that's just a regular ribbon-tailed worm. Googan Baits, man. Go green. Go green. You can hop it. You can slowly drag it. Hop it, drag. Hop it, drag. Or you could just swim it. You know, you let the fish determine what they want. You don't determine what the fish want, you know. I know we come down to the lake, the ponds, the rivers, the creeks with all preconceived notions about how we're going to fish it and how many fish we're going to catch and all that, but you just can't count your eggs, you know, before they hatch. You just can't. She might have went back out to the main lake. Come on, Karen, bite my worm. Jerry! Where you at, Jerry? Come on, you know you want that big mondo worm. It's warm out here in the sun. Oh, I missed him right there. There was a bite right there. Right at the shore. Yeah, how about that, huh? Sure, I wish that sun. Whoa, you scared the shit out of me, dog. Ow, don't bite me. Quit. Oh, there we go. There we go. He's just a little guy. Got it on the downfall. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Just a little bit. Look at that, came right out. Just a little guy. Is he messing? What is he doing? They got the runs. Say, hey, man. That was a nasty cast. The sun is wearing down on me. Great, because that's the end I wanted to fish at now. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Oh, yo. That was a good one. This is a 6-inch trench hog. I leave the hook exposed because there's just not a lot of stuff in the bottom of this pond here. Nothing to get caught on, so I'll leave it like this. It's like I said, a 6-inch trench hog, Googans Trench hog. It's got 4 appendages and 2 craw flaps, whatever you want to call them.